जय श्रीमन्नारायण 305th नामम फ्रॉम श्री विष्णु सहस्रनामम। ओम अदृश्याय नमः। हो श्रीमन्नारायण, how much ever analyze, you will not be realized by even great-minded people. Such is your divine miraculous quality. O Srimannarayana, when it happened, the dissolution happened. The Chiranjeevi Markandeya Maharshi, after seeing you on a small leaf in the center of the huge ocean as a Vatapatra Sai, he also started thinking that Kadhanvayam Sisussete Loke Nasam Upagate. When everything got dissoluted, how come such a small boy is floating on the water on a small leaf? Even such great Maharshi also could not understand, could not realize your miraculous quality. He thought so much, but he never could realize that. Such is your miraculous qualities. O Srimannarayana, I surrender to your lotus-like divine feet. Om Adrusyaya Namaha. Om Adrusyaya Namaha. While meditating upon Srimannarayana, who is there within our own heart, let us sing the glory of Srimannarayana. Srimannarayana Narayana Narayana, Srimannarayana Narayana Narayana. In Sri Valmiki Ramayanam, Bharata is now getting close to Rama Ashramam, approaching Rama Ashramam and also noticing that there are so many wood sticks by which probably Sita, Rama, Lakshmana would put on fire and they get warm up. So because in very cold season they can get warm up with the flame which is put on by these firewoods. Like that, Bharata is now noticing several things in that Rama Ashramam. Bharata feeling so much happy along with Shatrughna, Sumantra and other ministers. He is saying that, oh my dear ministers, whatever the place, whatever the location, Bharadvaja Maharshi explained us, we almost reached that location. I can see Ganga river there. And there are so many Naravastras dried upon in that Ramashramam. Oh, my dear Shatrughna, Aryam Drakshyami Samhrushto Maharshimiva Raghavam. In this ashramam, my Ramachandra, who will be appearing to me as a Maharshi, I am going to have darshanam of my Ramachandra Swami. Oh, my dear Shatrughna, Jagatyam Purushavyagra Aste Virasane Rataha. I am going to see my Ramachandra Swami. Probably Ramachandra Swami is sitting only on the earth, bare earth, because there are no any other beddings or sofa sets or chairs. I made Rama sit on the floor. That is what is my life. My life is waste. My pranam is waste. O Shatrughna, Everyone is accusing me, saying that because of me, Rama got into so many troubles. Oh Shatrughna, everybody is accusing me that because of me and for me, Rama gave up all his pleasures, all his desires, and got into forest. Oh Shatrughna, like this entire universe is accusing me. Now I am going to go and fell on the divine feet of my Rama and Sitamma and ask for forgiveness. Oh Shatrughna, I am going to do namaskaram to Lakshmana also. Though he is younger than me, I will do namaskaram to Lakshmana also. Oh Shatrughna, I will try my level best to please Sita, Rama, Lakshmana. Oh Shatrughna, I can see such a beautiful Dadarsa Mahatim Punyam Parnasalam Manoramam. Beautiful Parnasala I can see. Oh Shatrughna, with all the trees, with all the leaves of the trees, they covered that Parnasala. Salatala Svakarnanam. Such Parnasala Dadarsa Mahatim. I am seeing that Parnasala. Oh Shatrughna, all the darbha, such grass blades are covered too, are spreaded all over the Parnasala. Such Parnasala, Dadarsa Mahatim Punyam, Manoramam. I am looking at that Parnasala. Oh Shatrughna, just like Indradhanus, whatever the bows that Rama and Lakshmana have, such a wonderful, big, huge bows. I can see them in that Parnasala. Such Parnasala I am seeing that Dadarsa Mahatim Punyam, Parnasala Manoramam. Oh Shatrughna, I can also see there are so many arrows. Everywhere I can see in that Parnasala. Oh Shatrughna, I can also see all kind of gods to guard bodies, gods to guard hands, and there are some gods to safeguard fingers while fighting with someone. There are so many kind of gods I can see in that Parnasala. Oh Shatrughna, Dadarsa Mahatim Punyam. Such Parnasala I am able to see now. Oh Shatrughna, as and how all small animals get scared to get into the den of lion. Such kind of lion-like Parnasala I can see. All the enemies would be really scared to even come close to this Parnasala. Such Parnasala, very pure Parnasala, sacred Parnasala, Dadarsa Mahatim Punyam, Parnasala Manoramam. Oh Shatrughna, now I can see very clearly the entire Parnasala, Ramashramam. Like that Bharata expressing all of his happiness and joy while approaching while getting close and close to Parnasala. After that, what happens? We will learn tomorrow with meditation upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama 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 Dasaratha Rama He He Raja Rama He He Raja Rama He He Sita Rama He He Sita Rama. 33rd sloka from Sri Vishnu Sahasranamam. Yugadikrit Yugavarto Naikamayo Mahasanaha Adrusyo Vyaktarupascha Sahasrajit అనంతజిత్. ఓం సర్వం శ్రీకృష్ణార్పణమస్తు. జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ. ఓం అదృశ్యాయ నమః. ఓం అదృశ్యాయ నమః. ఓం అదృశ్యాయ నమః.